Hello, I'm Mr. Rice and I teach English here at AKS, and I'm here with my friend Esme and Mr. Bear. Do you want to say hello, Mr. Bear and Esme? So today we're going to read this book. Do you know what this book's called?
6 fish.
Excellent. He is a fat cat though, isn't he? Look at him. What do you think he eats too much of?
Fish.
I know. So we're going to have some of these words in our book today that we might find a little bit tricky, so we're going to break them down together, okay? So we're going to introduce our first word, which is fat. 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 You do it along with me. Fat. Fat. Next word is cat. 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 You have a go with me. Cat. Cat. Well done. Our next word is stop. Stop.
Stop.
Excellent. Stop. Stop. Have a go with me. Stop. Stop. Well done. Our next word is dog. D-O-G. Dog. Do it with me. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Our next word is fish. 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 F-I-sh. F-I-sh. Have a go with me. Fish. F-I-sh. Fish. Our next word is had. H-A-D. Had. D.
Had.
Your turn. H-A-D. Had. Our next word is pop. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. Your turn with me. P-O-P. Pop.
Pop.
Excellent.
Fat.
That's really good. You were so close. The word is that. Now, watch where, when I say that, watch where I put my tongue. Excellent. That. Because if we do it like like a th sound, it makes it sound like fat, but it's not. It's that. That. F-A-T. And watch where my tongue goes. It's put on my teeth. F-A-T. That. Will. W-I-L. Will. Your turn. W-I-L. Will. And lastly, we've got our tricky words. Words that we can't break down. So we've got you. We've got I. We've got said. And we've got of. So you. Say it with me. You. I. Say it with me. I. Next word, said. And lastly, of. Are you ready to tell the story? Are you ready? Are you going to read it for me? No, you can't ask the bear for help. So, should we start our story? Ready?
Fat cat. Pug dog.
Wow. Let's break those words down. Fat cat. F-A-T. K-A-T. Fat cat. Do along with me. F-A-T. Fat. K-A-T. Cat. Fat cat. Next words are pug dog. P-U-G. Pug. You do it at home with me. P-U-G. Pug. Well done. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Do it with me. D-O-G. Dog. Fat cat. Pug dog.
Fat cat had 1 fish. Fat cat had 2 fish. Fat
Fat cat had one fish. We're going to break the sentence down because the rest of them are very similar. Are you ready? We've got the word fat. F-A-T. Fat. K-A-T. Cat. Had. H-A-D. Had. One. F-I-sh. Fish. Let's see if we can say it all together. Fat cat had one fish. Well done. Now, we're going to read the next few sentences because the number goes up by one. He's a greedy cat. He has one more fish every time. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Fat cat had 2 fish. Fat cat had 3 fish.
Stop, said Pug Dog. That is a lot of fish.
Stop. Stop. Stop, said Pug Dog. Should we say that sentence together? Stop, said Pug Dog. That is a lot of fish. So it's this here. Do you know what this is called? An exclamation mark. And what does that mean?
Lots of fish.
Oh, it could be lots of. Yeah, he's saying that is a lot of fish. He's shouting it. Do you want to try it again?
That is lots of fish. You will pop, fat cat.
You will pop, pop, fat cat.
I will not stop, said fat cat.
I will, will, not, not, stop, said fat cat. Let's do that sentence one more time. I will not stop, said fat cat. Well done.
I will not pop.
I will not pop. Pop. Let's do it together. I will not pop.
Fat cat had 4 fish. Fat cat had 5 fish. Fat cat had 6 fish.
Fat cat had 4 fish. Fish. Fat cat had 5 fish. Fat cat had 6 fish. And what happens?
Pop.
You were right. And how do you think the cat's feeling right there?
Sad.
Yeah, a little bit scared as well.
I'm worried.
And worried,
But
sad and worried.
He actually throwed a clip on well, like the balloon.
Yeah.
And then he pretends he popped.
Oh, I know. Why do you think Pug Dog was worried about the cat?
Because he was going to pop and he said, stop!
Why do you think the fat cat wasn't worried? Look at him.
Because he won't pop. He'll just eat more fish.
Just eat more fish. Who do you think is the hero in this story? Who's the good guy?
Pug.
You think Pug?
Yeah, because he doesn't do anything naughty. But the cat just eats more fish.
Do you think the fat cat will learn his lesson and maybe eat less fish in future?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much for joining us today. Do you want to say thank you, Esme?
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed reading 6 Fish and we'll see you again very soon.